Hi friends, welcome back to my prediction series for UPSC Prelims Examination 2026, where every day I will come out with one of the most important predicted topics for UPSC Prelims Examination 2026. Guys, last year lot of questions have directly come from this series. So if you are preparing for 2026, do not miss any lecture of this series. So let us start, guys. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss a very important species for the next year's prelims examination. So guys, for that I will use the PYQ analysis and also current affairs. So guys, recently in the UPSC Prelims Examination 2025, there was a question on a species, features of species, and there was also a question on space mission. Okay, so I believe that this species, which is tardigrades, are very important for next year's prelims examination because it is related to space mission. It is related to space mission. Let me give you the context. So recently, guys, you know that Axiom 4 mission is going to be executed, and in this Axiom 4 mission, ISRO is sending this tardigrades to the space. So why ISRO is sending these animals? Why are these animals so special, and why are they being studied in space? Let us try to understand. So guys, tardigrades are also called water bears or mouse piglets. They are extremophile microorganisms. They are extremophiles micro animals. What are extremophiles? Means they can survive extreme temperatures, hot boiling water, and even below freezing temperature. It can survive extreme climate, extreme temperature. Okay, so therefore guys, it can be found in Arctic region. They can be also found in volcanic eruptions, and they can also be found in space. Imagine, generally space, okay, living organisms cannot survive because of various radiations, but these species, they can also survive in extreme climate, even in space. So this is why, guys, study of these species are very important. Guys, you can see they are found in marine environment. They are also found in fresh water. They are found in terrestrial environment. So every environment you will find them. They are next to impossible to kill. They are next to impossible to kill because of a phenomena which is called the cryptobiosis, which is called cryptobiosis. I'll explain what is cryptobiosis. So guys, in this Axiom 4 mission, they are sending this tardigrades to the space so as to study these organisms, because study of these organisms can help us understand how we can survive the space environment. Guys, you all know in space lot of radiations are there. So if we have to carry out manned space missions, we have to understand how we can survive such extreme weather in the space. And study of these tardigrades can help us because these are the only species that can survive in the space. Okay guys, so you can see here they are commonly found in mosses and lichens. They are commonly found in mosses and lichens. They can survive extreme temperature. Okay, they can endure high radiation and space. They can endure high radiation, space environment, and even in extreme pressure they can survive. Okay, how they can do this? Because guys, they release all the water in their body and they transform into something called tune state. That is called tune state. They transform into a tune state, which is a cryptobiotic state, which is a cryptobiotic state where the body releases all the water. Generally what happens, guys, whenever there is extreme temperature, whether it is very cold, so what happens, the body water, they change into ice, because of which, guys, the cells starts getting ruptured. But in this case what happens, the animal releases all the water outside their body and they turn into something called tune state, TUN, tune state, which is called the cryptobiosis. Cryptobiosis. Okay, crypto means hidden, and biosis means living. Okay, so cryptobiosis. Okay, this is very important term, guys. You may be asked what is cryptobiosis. So it is the phenomenon of the tardigrades through which it releases all the water so that it can survive extreme temperatures, extreme environment. They also can survive radiations. Okay, so what happens is that they release some chemicals. They release some chemicals which help in the repair of DNA damages in their body. Generally, what happens whenever you are exposed to radiations, there is a damage to the DNA. But these organisms, they release some kind of chemical in the body which repair the DNA. Okay, so this is a very, very important species which must be studied for UPSC Prelims Examination 2026 because it is linked to both species and space travel. Guys, this is very, very important. You should definitely prepare. So what I have done is that, okay, you can see this. This is called cryptobiosis. The process is called cryptobiosis. This is a remarkable survival skills in which the metabolic functions of the animal, it reduces to zero under the stress environment, and the body loses 95% of its water and turns into a dry, shrunken state which is called toon state. They also release cytoplasmic abundant heat soluble protein. These protein create jelly like matrix inside the cell which protect the DNA and other cellular items in their body when they are exposed to radiations. So this is also important. CAHS protein is also very, very important. So guys, what I have done is that I have created this table format, all the details of this organisms. UPSC can ask questions about where are they found, why they are being sent to space, how do they survive space environment. Okay, so this cryptobiosis is very, very important phenomena which you should prepare. You can see here, okay, the size is very small, then the name is water bear or moss piglet. They are found in extreme environment, deep sea, polar ice, hot springs, even in volcanic eruptions they are found. They are 600 million years old and they have survived all the 5 extinctions, mass extinctions. They have survived all the 5 mass extinctions. Okay, and they are being sent to the space. They are being sent to space already, guys. Before they have been sent to space in the ESA's Photon M3 mission of 2007. This is okay. This is not the first time they are being sent to space. So guys, study of these organisms can help us study microgravity, which was the topic of UPSC Prelims Examination 2025. So this year, next year, this animals can be asked. So guys, please do prepare this animal, and if you want to get all these important topics in my prelims mentorship batch, I am giving top 10 questions every day on most important topics, linking the current affairs of that day and the PYQs. So please do join my prelims mentorship batch. I am giving you daily 10 MCQs for practice. You can get in touch with this Telegram ID. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.